follows is that for the first speaker from the government team, she says that it cannot abuse personal information when it is unlikely to abuse when it is very secured by the protections from the government, from the big companies. That is pretty legit. So nowadays, technology is very available.
People's privacy. Firstly, for the remotes, the first speaker of the proposition side has stated that false negatives and positives can happen, and that can lead to potentially people possessing people's data without consent. But as biometric technology is becoming more consistent and secure every day, the chance of false positives and false negatives will become negligible. Even though false results
these are not as secure as biometric recognition technology, such as facial recognition or fingerprints. Next, my response. They said that there are many ways to collect your fingerprints on your iPhones or to collect your facial features, but this is This is extremely hard, and it's not as easy as maybe getting a password or hacking or getting access to a person.